Here's the weekly weather briefing for the week of December 21st from the National Weather Service in Spokane. Expect another active week across the Pacific Northwest as two storm systems pass through the region, and then some colder weather. One system is bearing down on us this Monday afternoon and will bring snow to much of the region along with some strong winds down south. The next system comes quickly on the heels of the first and promises to bring snow to most areas. There will again be some gusty winds on Wednesday in those same areas, causing blowing and drifting snow. Wednesday through Saturday look to have fairly benign weather with some isolated snow showers and colder temperatures. By Sunday, the pattern shifts and the storms return. This is the forecast for snow totals from the region for the storm starting this afternoon and ending by midday Tuesday. And here are the wind gusts. The forecast for this afternoon and early evening. The strongest gusts will occur from Pomeroy east to southern Whitman and Latah counties. The impacts from this storm will include blowing and drifting snow and compact snow and ice on many of the area roads across the region. Here are the snow totals for the storm that starts Tuesday evening and continues into Wednesday. Snow is forecast for almost all areas across the region. And the gusty winds for Wednesday are going to affect the same areas. They're not forecast to be quite as strong, but the possibility of blowing and drifting snow is higher. Potential impacts from this second storm is similar to the first. Snowy and slick driving conditions and some blowing and drifting snow are expected on Wednesday. Any snow that does accumulate through Wednesday will stick around through Friday and beyond. Storm track and jet stream move south of the region on Wednesday and stay there through at least Saturday. This means that temperatures will cool, and we're looking at lows in the single digits to below zero readings Saturday and Sunday mornings. There will be some small-scale weak disturbances moving through the region each day, Thursday through Saturday, and these convective bands have the potential to put down as much as 6 inches of snow. If they do happen, these amounts will be very localized and difficult to predict more than a few hours in advance. Here's the low temperature forecast for Saturday morning, with lots of single digits and a few below zero readings. Sunday is looking to be a transition day as the next storm system approaches and the flow turns more southwesterly. This should bring in some warmer temperatures, but there's still a lot of uncertainty about the timing, strength, and impacts of this system as the new week starts. The 8 to 14 day outlook for December 29th through January 1st will continue the winter weather pattern with a good chance of near to below normal temperatures and below normal precipitation. So that's this week's briefing. Again, it'll be a busy weather week. Please monitor our forecasts for updates. Be sure to check us out on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks for tuning in to this weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Spokane.